In today's video, I'll be showing you new ways to produce high-grade premium emulsion paints. Hi, welcome back to Glina Artistic. I am Coach Glina. Ever wonder how to create high premium emulsion paint that stands out in quality? What if I told you there is a secret process that guarantees perfection? Do you know that you can create good grade emulsion paint so flawless that it leaves everyone in aware? Watch this video to the end to get the complete guide to creating high grade premium emulsion paint, because only those who master the process will achieve this level of perfection. Now, let me start by explaining the meaning of emulsion paint to educate you more for better understanding. Emulsion paints are the most selling types of paint because they are affordable and easy to use. They are water-based paint and easy to repaint when dirty. They are used for interior and exterior surfaces and versatile for different applications. We have different grades, each suited for specific application and offering varying level of durability, finish, and perfection, which are 1. Economic grade, 2. Standard grade, 3. Prime grade, 4. Super prime grade, 5. Specialized grade. Let me quickly explain briefly about each grade. You will get to read more in the ebook on prime emulsion paint production. Remember, is economical grade, which I usually call the market formulation, known by my students. These grades are basically low cost option. Not simply low coverage or durability, but not as top in line quality based on the standard of emulsion grade paint when you want to produce. Number 2, standard grade. This grade are the mild range option, balancing cost and quality. Number 3, prime grade, high quality grade. This particular paint are more expensive option, which it's suitable for the high class. Number 4, super prime grade, top of the line option with superior performance, washable and resistant to wear. Number 5, specialized grade. These grades are formulated for specific purpose or effects like anti-mold, mid-wheel areas, and very high quality range. Each grade of this emulsion paint offers drastic advantage, so choosing the right one depends on the specific requirement of the project, such as level of durability needed for the type of finishing desire and the budget available. Of course, you know that your budget you have at mind will determine the type of emulsion paint you want to use, which leads us to today's process on how to make super specialized premium grade emulsion paint with low budget and affordable by using specific chemicals to achieve the very high formulated grade. These states are high. One wrong step, one missing chemical, and your masterpiece could turn into a disaster. But fear not, because we are here to reveal the ultimate guide to crafting the perfect, super specialized premier grade emulsion paint. Stick with us as we break down the step-by-step process. Here are the key chemicals needed and their function. Like I always do for my students, I will explain each function of the chemicals to enable you know their usage, because it will help you know how to produce more suitable paints for better application. I'll try as much not to make the video very long. If you want to get the complete process, you can comment below and I will send the link to you. So let's get started. Number one, water. Because it is a water-based paint, water is needed in the production process. Number two, calcium carbonate. These chemicals adds body to the paint. They are called fillers. Number three, titanium. This chemical determines the opacity and coverage. Number four, silicate. This chemical enhances whiteness and it's used only for white paints. Number five, Jenipor. Jenipor is a wetting agent. Enhance the flow when applying the paint. Number six, deformer. Deformer prevents bubble. Number seven, body size. Body size serves as a preservative that increases the shelf life of the paint and avoid microbacteria. Number eight, Texanol. Texanol enhance every mixing, color retaining, and adds shining to the paint. Number nine, nitrosol. Nitrosol is a thickness agent that thickens the paint. Number 10, ammonia. Ammonia speeds up the pressures. Number 11, caustic soda. Caustic soda adjusts the pH level in the paint. Number 12, PVA acrylic. PVA acrylic is a binder. It binds the chemicals together and prevents choking of the paint. Number 13, kerosene. Kerosene completes the deformer and help reduce the bubble drastically. Number 14, EPW. EPW prevents fungus, helps to retain the paint color. Number 15, AE555. This is another thickener, but in liquid form for water-based paint. Number 16, carbon pitty. Carbon pitty breaks down the pigments. Please, other chemical that I can't list here due to time, like I said, because I don't want the video to be very long. And like I usually say, you can get this ebook to guide you more on the production process. Now, I know you'll be wondering, all this chemical for this production, am I sure I will be able to make money after production, especially those selling as a wholesale paint manufacturer? Yes, with the right chemical measurement, you'll be able to cut down costs and produce good quality prime emulsion paints. Let me walk you through the production process. 1. Add water into the mixing vessel. Number 2. Add your chlorine, stir very well. To treat your water, add your carbon pitty. Add your titanium dioxide and keep stirring. Add your starch corn. Number 4, add calcium for white paint production. Please, we have different types of calcium. Make sure the calcium is very white. Number 5, add aluminum silicate. Stir very well to enable the chemicals blend. Number 6, for those that will be producing white paints that it's a color paint, you can add your caroline. If you're not producing color paint, please skip this part and move over to the next chemical, which is your Jenipor. You add your Jenipor and you stir very well. At this stage, you will see bubbles, which lead us to the next stage. Number 8, deformer. Measure the deformer and pour it inside the mixture. Instantly, it reduces and removes the foaming drastically. Stir for 5 minutes. Number 9, add your kerosene, which is the complete defoamer. Measure the exact quantity and pour and stir very well for 1 minute. Number 9, EPW. Measure the exact quantity needed and stir for at least 1 minute. Number 11, formalin. Add formalin and stir very well. After your formalin, you add your acrylic. Measure the exact amount and add inside the production. Stir it for a while. So, white paint, it is always advisable to use half acrylic and half PVA. It will increase its brightness since it is a brilliant white paint we are producing. If it is colored paint, then you can make use of only acrylic. And let me tell you this today, the acrylic you use determines the way you want your white paint to be bright. So the next chemical is nitrosol. So for the adding of the nitrosol, like I usually say, dissolve the nitrosol with little water. Remember, at the stage, you are to use a certain measurement of water. So in that water, you remove 1 liter to use to dissolve this nitrosol. You don't use a separate water. You have to use that water you removed for the normal measurement for your paint production. And then after dissolving, you add it to your production. The next chemical is ammonia. Add the required measurement of ammonia. At this stage, you have to add your ammonia quickly to facilitate the thickness, and then you stir for 5 minutes. Number 4 is your caustic soda. Measure the prescribed amount of caustic soda and pour it inside and mix for 25 minutes to let all the chemicals mix together. Because of time, I won't be able to So, like I said, because of time, I won't be able to explain the process of how to prepare caustic soda. But in the ebook, you'll be directed properly on how to prepare caustic soda for paint manufacturing. Please take note. Make sure you get the ebook on new ways to produce high specialized prime emulsion paint to avoid mistakes during production. And apart from this, the ebook will show you the required chemical measurement you need for the production. Remember, the goal is to use the specified chemicals to achieve a more durable paint. So let's continue. The next chemical is texanol. Measure the exact quantity required for the production and add into the production and stir very well for 10 minutes. And then the next chemical is your AE555. Add your AE555 into the production and stir very well for 15 minutes. Your specialized high-grade emulsion paint is ready. Now, fill it into your branded bucket. Perfecting this step will set you apart as a top paint manufacturer. This knowledge is power, and we want you to have it at all the way. We didn't put a fixed price to this ebook. To get the ebook for the specific high grade premium emulsion paint, comment prime emulsion paint below. We'll send you the link to get you the ebook, or you can check on the description to get yours. Like I said, there is no fixed price for the ebook. We want you to be able to produce this new advanced premium specialized high grade emulsion paint. You won't be paying much because I want as much people to get this formula, even my students as well. That is why I put a little amount for commitment, because I noticed that most people tended not to take knowledge given to them for free. And remember, I used data to create the ebook. I also paid for the upgraded version to get the ebook done for you. Anyway, you are in the right place. And So, like I said, sorry for the transaction. The ebook is easy downloaded and you'll be able to read it and download it from anywhere you are in the world. And you won't be finding it difficult getting it to you. You do not need to worry about the downloaded version because I said you'll be able to download it and read. I am not charging you for the knowledge. If not, I would have put a fixed price for the ebook. But because I want both my students and my subscribers to get this ebook immediately, and I want as much paint manufacturers and those who want to produce high grade emulsion paint to use this process for their painting projects as well. Only those who are serious and those willing to learn should take the big step to get this ebook. You'll be surprised for the amount you'll be charged. Click the link now to get yours before the link will be taken down. The ebook is not only containing the advanced formula for producing specified high-grade premium emulsion paint, but also it's well detailed for the right chemical to use for achieving top quality paint for those intended to sell this paint. The ebook provides an advanced formula guiding you on how to use fewer chemicals to produce better paint, maximizing your profit margin. You will learn not only how to produce white prime emulsion paint, but also the complete process for creating other colors. Additionally, it offers two formulas tailored for marketing standard, whether you plan to sell as a wholesale or one-on-one sale. The ebook takes you from production process to branding, packaging and manufacturing, and even covers how to market your paint to generate income. It also includes in the formulation on where to buy chemicals, no matter where you are in the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the link in description to get the ebook. Subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye for now.